it is. It's working.
Gear
What
up.
the hell?
Percent.
That's a nice bird. Oh no, yes.
Percent.
Yeah. Wow.
Good stuff, Gene.
Gene. What was that? Acro. Oh, that's high rate.
Look at that.
Yeah, nice and smooth. Dang.
I remember the day a few weeks ago I was with the commander trying to catch one of Johnny's jets.
Okay.
I couldn't do it.
Oh, I'm glad you couldn't. Them jets are slick, and the thrust
Well, it was
is
fast, but it wasn't.
80, 100 miles an hour.
Oops, that was a little sloppy.
Oh, did you do a little aileron?
Time remaining 1 minute.
I didn't have enough. I didn't have enough speed in there for that one.
Well, I wound up putting a little bit of aileron. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, cause acro. Yeah.
I'm gonna land, guys.
Oh, another thing I noticed
Landing
when I
right
did
to
the
10, 9, 58, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 0, 1, 0,
Just below the
25. Timer expired. Land immediately. Land immediately.
I can see
0.
perfect timing on that slow wobble.
Gear up. Mid high rate. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. One minute.
Oh, time to stop screwing around.
50%. 50%.
I know you don't want to crash it.
30 seconds. Landing flaps. 25%. 0. Gear up.
Uh-oh, something's wrong.
Better land it. It's buffering really bad.
Yeah, that's really, something's wrong. Uh-oh. Okay, we're landing. I don't know what's going on.
Down.
Alright, I am up high.
It just started dancing.
Yeah, it was
Right when I pushed it.
Yeah, I'm dancing too.
Are you dancing up
A
there?
little bit more than normal, yeah.
Maybe it's just the wind, Johnny.
I'm going to try to go by again, see if it... Yeah,
50%.
look at that. Okay, now it's fine.
It's the wind.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Nope, see, it's wagging again. Well, maybe it is the wind, though.
Yeah, I'm north.
50%. 0.